Why are my hens laying so many eggs like this? Is there any secret behind it? Of course there is a secret. Well, in today's video, I'll be showing you guys why my hens are laying so many eggs. If you follow it, your hens as well will start giving you very many eggs as well. For some of you who are still new on the channel, my name is Jacob, a passionate farmer about poultry keeping. On this channel, we talk about poultry farming in general. We talk about the layers, the broilers, the local chicken, ducks, geese, guinea fowl, in fact any kind of poultry, you will find it on this channel. So if you have been one of the people that have been looking for channels that can teach you on how you can run a poultry farm successfully right from the scratch up to the end, then you're in the right area. But before, do me a favor, subscribe to the channel. That way you can be one of the family members in this awesome YouTube channel. And if you're interested in getting more videos about poultry, then do me a favor, turn on your bell notification. That way you'll be notified immediately I drop any kind of video on the channel. And more importantly, if you have any question regarding poultry keeping, do me a favor, drop it in the comment section below. I am willing to answer at any time. And for returning viewers, I am very grateful. I'm very grateful for all of you for coming to view my videos once again. Thanks for supporting my channel. Thanks so much. God bless you. Like I told you earlier, in today's video, we are going to be talking about how to make your hens lay more eggs. And at some point, I have seen some poultry farmers, especially the ones doing layers. They may keep their birds, but after a while of their birds laying, their birds eventually stop laying. So what is the main thing behind their birds stopping to lay? Number one is the age or the size of the bird. This really matters so much when it comes to the laying of a bird. Like for instance, in the layers, these layer birds start laying at around week 17. That is when you should expect at least an egg from these birds. Meaning that if your bird haven't yet reached that age, then it is not going to give you any kind of egg. Like mine's over here, I think you guys can see them. These birds are around 7 months, and actually right now they are incubating our eggs. Their age is now okay for them to lay the eggs. Their body size alone is also well. These are the local chickens that we are keeping currently on our poultry farm. The second thing that is preventing your birds from laying is the feeds that you normally give to them. So guys, when it comes to the laying birds, there are those kinds of feeds that are specifically made for them. Let's say that you are a poultry farmer who is keeping layer birds. All the layer birds have a specific type of feed that should be given to them at a certain age. Like layer birds at week 18 cannot be given feeds for the layer birds at week 1 or 2, because the contents inside all these feeds are different. So we should try as much as we can to get the right feeds for the right type of birds that we are keeping. That way your birds will start laying at a high point. In the layer birds, you need to actually give them enough calcium inside their feeds. This helps so much in the formation of the eggshells. But now, if you give them feeds without calcium inside it, then how do you expect them to actually give you eggs without the calcium which they will use in making the eggshells? Of course they will not give you eggs. In fact, I have made a video of mixing your poultry feeds. There are 3 videos where I talk largely on the mixing of the poultry feeds, right from the ingredients, the alternative of the ingredients used in mixing the poultry feeds. In fact, it is a lengthy video and it will help you so much when it comes to mixing your poultry feeds for your poultry birds at different stages of their growth. If you haven't yet watched that video, first go and then watch all the 3 videos. That way you will not find any problem in mixing your own poultry feeds. Number 3, give enough clean and fresh water every day to your poultry birds. Make sure that you give enough clean water to your birds every day. The water that you give to your birds every day should be a different water. You may have some water inside the drinkers, but make sure that you pour that water outside and after you fill it with another clean fresh water for your poultry birds. As we all know, an egg, which is right over here, let me first try to pick one. An egg over here is around 75% water, which means water is needed so much in the formation of an egg. So guys, we should look at this as something very important. Water should be available for our poultry birds 24/7 every day. There should not be any scarcity of water inside our poultry farm. That's why I said in one of my videos that when you are looking for a location of your poultry farm, make sure that you find a location where there is steady flow of water throughout the year. That way you cannot run out of water inside your poultry farm. Not only in the formation of an egg, water is very important. Let's say the meat. The meat is around 60% to 70% water, moisture, which is water. So you can see how beneficial this water is to our birds. And then on top of that, the water alone is like a transport means of the feeds that our birds take inside their body. Make sure that you give enough clean and fresh water to your birds every day. That way, the laying of your birds will really increase. The next one is the breed of the hen. Yeah, the poultry breed is very important when it comes to the laying of your birds. There are very many poultry breeds out there. We have poor quality breeds, we have good quality breeds. In fact, there are very many of them. So the kind of breed that you choose to bring inside your poultry farm really matters a lot when it comes to the laying of your eggs. Let's say you bring poor quality birds, then of course your birds will not give you enough eggs as required because the quality of the birds alone is very poor. So guys, try as much as possible to get birds of high quality, the good quality birds. That way the results of the birds will also be awesome to you. Those are the factors that are really making our hens lay very many eggs on our poultry farm. And you too, you can have that on your poultry farm by following all the things that I have given above. Otherwise, if you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, what are you waiting for? You are going to really miss a lot of my videos, which are also very educative in the poultry sector. Do me a favor, subscribe to the channel, like the video, and don't forget to hit the notification bell. That way you'll never miss out in case I upload any new video. See you in my next video. Bye bye.